Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rosy and I am 10 years old. I am a student of Nguyên Primary School. Today, I would like to talk about forces of nature. Our Earth is a beautiful planet. Its ocean and lakes, blue sky with rich land give us what we need to live. However, nature also has a very powerful side too. It can cause great harm to human life and property. There are 4 parts in my presentation. They are earthquakes, hurricanes, tornadoes, and blizzards. First of all, I'd like to talk about earthquakes. The outside part of the earth is the crust. Under the crust are many pieces called plates. The plates create energy when they move against each other. In an earthquake, the plates release this energy quickly. In strong earthquakes, objects and even buildings can collapse. The next one names hurricanes. A hurricane is a large, violent storm. It forms over warm ocean water and can form to over 500 kilometers wide. Hurricanes destroy homes and buildings, create flood, knock down trees, and hurt plant fish with corals. The other names of hurricanes are typhoons and cyclones. The third one names tornadoes. A tornado looks like a funnel and has strong spinning winds of up to 400 kilometers 1 hour. An average tornado is about 75 meters wide. Sometimes it can be much larger. A tornado destroys homes and trees near there. North America has more tornadoes than any other countries in the world. The last one is blizzards. Sometimes blizzards completely cover an area. Heavy snow falls down and strong winds blows. The heavy snow falls on the road, so drivers cannot see and they are not safe. Luckily, there are warning systems for these natural disasters, so people don't have to be worried about them. That is the end of my presentation. Goodbye!